Hi, I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. If you filed for bankruptcy, you may be wondering, can I get credit again? Whether it's a personal loan, a mortgage, or a credit card, bankruptcy does impact your ability to borrow. But that doesn't mean credit is out of reach forever. Today, I'll explain how bankruptcy affects credit extensions and what you can do to rebuild your borrowing power. Filing for bankruptcy will stay on your credit report for up to 10 years for Chapter 7 and up to 7 years for Chapter 13. While this can make it harder to get approved for new credit, it doesn't mean lenders won't work with you, especially as time passes and you rebuild your financial profile. After a Chapter 7 bankruptcy discharge, you may find it difficult to get approved for traditional loans right away. However, some lenders specialize in working with post-bankruptcy borrowers. You might start with secured credit cards, which require a deposit as collateral. Credit builder loans, designed to help establish positive payment history. High-interest personal loans, which should be used cautiously to avoid falling back into debt. In Chapter 13 bankruptcy, getting new credit can be more complicated because you're on a court-supervised repayment plan. You typically need court approval to take on new debt, especially for significant purchases like a car or home. That said, responsible borrowing within your repayment plan can improve your financial standing. If you're looking to rebuild credit after bankruptcy, here are some key steps. Pay all bills on time, including utilities and rent. Keep credit balances low if you have existing credit accounts. Check your credit report regularly to ensure accuracy and dispute any errors. Avoid payday loans or predatory lenders that charge excessive interest. Rebuilding credit after bankruptcy takes time, but many people qualify for auto loans within a year and mortgages within 2 to 4 years post-bankruptcy, especially if they demonstrate financial responsibility. At Fairmax Law, we help clients not only through the bankruptcy process, but also in planning for financial success afterward. If you have questions about credit extensions after bankruptcy or need help improving your financial standing, contact us today for a free consultation. Bankruptcy is a fresh start, not the end of your financial future. Reach out to Fairmax Law and let us help you take the right steps toward rebuilding your credit and borrowing power.